Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So today's video is going to be on this wig. This is just going to be a watch me install wig video. This hair is from West Kiss Hair. This is their HD 13x4 24 inches curly wig, 200% density, so it's quite full. This is literally how much hair you get. So the hair came plucked, customized, everything good to go, bleached. You don't have to do anything, like the hair is like ready to go. And I absolutely love that. The customization is so good. To get the curls looking like this, I just use water and then this Cream of Nature Style and Shine foaming mousse. It does dry up. It does dry up quite quickly though. So any suggestions for something that kind of leaves that wet look, you know, let me know. But yeah, once you spray water, it does start to dry. So but yeah, this is pretty much the hair, so let's get straight into the video.
Every time I try, when I get my eyes, you know I'm lying.
I just wanted to show you how well this hairline looks. Like, look at how great this looks. I could never pluck my hairline to look like this. It looks so good. Like I said, the wig does come exactly like this, pre-plucked. So upon brushing out the hair, I did find that the hair was quite nice to brush through, little to no tangling, and the texture is quite nice. So I'm just brushing this out using some water just so I can make the curls more uniform. So I think just to make sure that your hair doesn't get too dry, adding some serum as well afterwards really helps.